I'm very honored to serve as the Dean of the School of Pharmacy and Health Professions. This year is a special one as we inaugurate a new president of Creighton University. I congratulate those of you celebrating your 50-year reunion. Yesterday, they became official Golden Jays. This year marks the 25th anniversary of our respiratory therapy program, and I welcome those graduates who have joined with us tonight. The School of Pharmacy and Health Professions is nationally recognized through the quality and professional excellence of its graduates. These graduates benefit from value-centered teaching and learning opportunities. The quality of our school is also reflected in the research and scholarship carried on here. And always, it is seen in the patient-centered care and service our students and graduates provide. From the very first day our students begin classes, they are held to the highest standards. Those standards are taught by the very talented and dedicated professionals who make up our faculty and administration. We were very pleased this year that the quality of our faculty was recognized when Dr. Shirley Blanchard received the Creighton University Robert Kennedy Teaching Award. I'd like to point out just a few other highlights as well. Mr. Manny Goldberg, Pharmacy 1955, was recognized at the 2010 hooding ceremony with a Distinguished Service Award of our school, and Dr. Joy Dahl, Occupational Therapy 2003, was the recipient of the 2011 Faculty Service Award from the School of Pharmacy and Health Professions. Our occupational and physical therapy programs received full cycle accreditation during this past year for a full 10 years, a superb accomplishment. Pharmacy is currently involved in the self-study for accreditation, and in 2012, we fully expect to receive accreditation for our full cycle as well. Most recently, our Academic Health Center has established a multidisciplinary continuing education program. This is currently the only one in the United States in an academic health center and is setting an example for others. This will benefit our students, graduates, faculty, alumni, and preceptors. One example of this multidisciplinary effort is the continuing education course our pharmacy faculty has developed in advanced critical care therapeutics. It is designed for practitioners who are involved in the management of critical care patients. Our Center for Health Services Research and Patient Safety, which we like to call CHIRP, is providing an interdisciplinary boost to research being done in the school. It includes a team of interdisciplinary faculty members coming together to develop and implement health services research. They are advancing the work of researchers and helping develop independent scholarship. This team of faculty facilitates interprofessional collaboration in faculty research on our campus. CHIRP received full status recognition as a center for the university this year and conducts applied, translational, educational, and outcomes-based research focusing on patient safety and the quality of care. In December of this year, we will celebrate another first and milestone in distance education. In 2008, we established our Doctor of Occupational Therapy distance pathway in collaboration with the University of Anchorage at Alaska, a public institution, as you know. This pathway is unique in occupational therapy and in the United States, and it represents a distinctive hybrid educational model. The reason this pathway was established was to assist the University of Alaska in addressing significant health manpower shortages in rehabilitation and particularly in occupational therapy. Our first class in this pathway will graduate this December at Creighton's commencement, so they'll all travel here from Alaska to graduate. Quite an event. Also, we have recently signed a memorandum of agreement with the University of Alaska to reserve a small number of seats in our distance pharmacy pathway beginning this year. Again, we're helping to address significant manpower shortages involved in healthcare in Alaska. We are proud of our leadership in distance professional education. It is filling a growing need in our increasingly mobile society. We are equally proud of the quality students our programs attract. The quality of our students is reflected in the near 100% first-time pass rates on licensing exams, I can almost say that, in 3 disciplines: our occupational therapy, pharmacy, and physical therapy programs. 100% pass rate. That's astounding. Service, which is a key component in Catholic Jesuit education, is a lifelong commitment for both students and faculty. Our students serve in the Native American communities in Nebraska and outside of Nebraska, and in the Dominican Republic. And they benefit from the example of service our alumni provide in those areas. In our local community of Greater Omaha, our students this year provided over 11,000 hours of community-engaged services. This is an outstanding accomplishment for our students in our school. Alumni who serve as preceptors play a critical role in the clinical education of our students. It is certainly one way alumni give back to the school and to their professions. It is an opportunity to make an indelible impact on the lives of students, and we invite you, our alumni, to become involved. I guarantee you it will have a positive impact on your life as well. So if possible, if you're not already, become a clinical preceptor for our students. We would love to have you. Of course, that is just one way that you can offer your support. The quality of the education we provide also depends, in part, on the generosity of alumni who are grateful for the opportunities and successes they have enjoyed because of their Creighton education. For instance, one of our needs across all of our health science programs is a clinical assessment and simulation center. We are in the process of raising support to complete this center. You might have noticed this display of the floor plan of that assessment center out in our hallway, and this will be a multidisciplinary effort in our health sciences. Your generosity and support sends a clear message that you believe in mission. Your donations give us the ability and flexibility to respond to opportunities and fund new educational initiatives. More importantly, there are students attending Creighton today who would not be here if they didn't have scholarships provided by alumni who themselves had help when they were in school. So thank you. Thank you for your loyalty and for reaching out to our students to support them.